Hey everybody, good morning, and today we are here in the beautiful Tobago. So I've actually come across just hang with some friends in a beautiful villa, which I'll also be doing a mini YouTube video about. It's this awesome villa over here that you gotta come and check out. In fact, I'll be making this video today after that one, so you may have watched this already next week, so I apologize if that's the case. But today we're going down to actually Buccoo Bay to spend a little time at the beach, and I figured why not make a little video. It's a beach I don't actually visit overly often, but it is actually really nice, and I said why not make a video about it in case anybody's coming to Tobago would like to check it out. I brought back Stephanie by popular demand. There may even be a Jono at the beach waiting for us, but we'll see. But yeah, please enjoy today's quick vlog about Buccoo Beach, Tobago. I will show you the basic directions to get there, and of course we'll show it off a little bit. And other than that, please check out the other YouTube video, whether it was last week or the coming week, about the villa that we stayed in while we were here. You won't want to miss that, so look out for that. But guys, have a great week, and please like and subscribe. Check out the video. Let's go. Hi guys, so here we are at the beautiful Buccoo Beach. Now to get here, pretty much the best way would be to use like one of the directional apps like Waze, and you type in Sunday School or Buccoo Beach. So when you get to the Buccoo Road, you head down, straight down into that road there. It has one or two twists and turns, but essentially you're following a main road directly down. And what you're looking for is you come right to the end. As you saw in my video, there'll be a left-hand turn where you swing off into a car park. And once you're within there, you'll see a bit of a boatyard. Now the beauty of this place, as I've just shown when we were driving through, is you can actually drive your car beach area, or at least behind the beach area, where they have like a road winding behind the trees. It's actually pretty cool to see. It's one of the few beaches that actually allows you to drive behind the beach itself, and you can park in these areas like you're seeing here. And then you can actually walk out to the actual beach, which is here. And it's really good. For swimming, it's very calm, very sheltered, very protected. So good for families and children and that kind of stuff. It's not very deep either, unless you walk out too far. So yeah, here's a great spot. Let me set up the drone, give you an aerial view and check it out. Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed this short but beautiful tour of the Buccoo Beach. Very simple beach, again very good for swimming, families, very calm and sheltered. No big set of action and stuff too. On Sundays and weekends it can get a little bit busy. As you've seen too, they often bring the horses here, and that's a place called Healing with Horses where they actually rehabilitate horses, allow people to ride them. It's a very, very good thing. So we're very lucky to randomly encounter them. But have a great week everyone. Please like and subscribe and look out for next week's video. Oh wait, one more thing. It's Jono and his baby.
Hi, Coda.
And Avie.
Now wake up, so you're not early.
They just got engaged and Jono and Coda looking a little dark. Hold on, come over here, Jono. Well, I also you don't know. And here's Jono and Coda. Congratulations to Jono on his recent engagement to this woman.
Thank you.
This is Avie. Oh, she has a diamond ring. She's very fancy. Alright guys, Coda, you wanna take us out? Bye guys! Bye!